My name is Brian. I'll be your furniture repair technician. Today I'll show you how to clean stains on an upholstered product. This cushion has a light brown stain, likely from a spill. To repair it, we'll remove the stain and extract it from the material. I'll begin by setting up my safe workspace inside a padded blanket. I'll place the pillow inside the safe workspace so I can comfortably work on the stain. This stain appears dry, indicating that it's old, but the process is the same for a new stain. I'll place a few drops of cleaning solution onto a clean cloth and wipe the stain. I suggest using a white cloth so that I can see if any color is coming off when I wipe the stained area. This tells me that the stain is beginning to come out. Working outward from the stain, I'll use short strokes to clean the surface of the cushion. Flipping the cloth over, I repeat the process using long strokes. Notice how I'm also wiping the area around the stain. At this point, the stain has disappeared. Using a dry part of the cloth, I continue to wipe the cushion to remove the moisture introduced by the cleaning process. Lastly, I'll finish the process by thoroughly drying the cushion with a heat gun. However, you could also let the upholstery dry naturally. That's how you clean stains on upholstered product. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your furniture.